makers. If you're new here, my name is Jeanette Fryer. I am the owner and maker of JeBelle Sheek. So you guys, for today's video, once again, I want to apologize for not putting out videos for the last 2 weeks. However, I was busy traveling and visiting family, and y'all, I had an amazing time visiting family. So I try to leave visiting family to the summertime when my son is out of school, and y'all, I had an amazing time. We visited my sisters, my brothers, and my in-laws, and y'all, it was an amazing time. So I'm definitely looking forward to summer vacation where I get to visit more family. So you guys, for today's video, I thought I would do a very fun watermelon tumbler because it is definitely still summer here in Texas. The temperatures sometimes get up to 105, so y'all, it is definitely still summer. However, I am definitely looking forward to fall. But for the meantime, I thought I would create a fun tumbler using some bright neon, well, it's not really neon colors, some, you know, a green, a white, and a pink. Y'all, these colors go great to make this watermelon tumbler. So you guys, I really hope you enjoy this video. So once again, makers, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And also, if you have not clicked that notification bell, please click that notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. So you guys, I think that is enough for me. Let's get into the video. Let's go. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this tumbler, you guys. So off camera, this is a fully prepped and sanded 10-ounce stubby. I think I got it from the Stainless Steel Depot. I have went ahead and spray painted it a pink, a white, and a green. This is just a regular spray paint by Rust-Oleum, just to save time off camera. So it's just my 3 colors that I will be using. So let's get into the glitter colors, you guys. So you guys, I am really excited about this tumbler. So for our pink, we're going to be using Nesa. This is by Peachy Olive Glitters. Of course, I am going to layer it with some Water Lily. This is by Sass & Crafts. I think it used to be named Yaya's Glitter or something like that. However, I will list the exact name in the description box below. For our green, we are going to be using None of My Business. This is by Very Humble Boutique. Our white is going to be by PDB. This is Diamond. And also, I'm going to be layering some Polar Ice in there. This is by Witchcraft's Glitter. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So to apply our glitter, we are going to be using the glitter glue. And sometimes I like to use this when I have a small area to cover with glitter because it's not going to take that much. However, this is very expensive, so I use it very sparingly. So I am just going to, I think it'll be better if I just applied it just using my little finger glove here, so I can get it on nice and even, so it's not going to take that much. So I'm just going to use my little finger glove to just spread a nice and even coat on here. You want to make sure you're getting up to those top rims, so you remove that tape, you have that crisp edge that you're looking for. Here. You get it nice and cover a nice and even thin coat. I like to, you know, use my finger when I'm applying any type of, you know, adhesive. It just saves on brushes. Because if you think about it, I'm just going to pop this off and throw it in the garbage. Have that covered, so let's get into applying our glitters. All right, so I have my good old trusty glitter paper here. I tell you, this glitter paper has been through the ringer, but hey, it's still working, so I am just going to roll with it. So I'm just going to start off with some Nesa by Peachy Olive Glitters. Apply some in my sprinkler, just because I just want to just start off light. I'm going to take Polar Ice by Witchcraft's Glitter and apply that to the middle. And I thought I could use this sprinkler, but it's kind of, the cut is kind of thick, so it wouldn't come out. All right, you guys, next we're going to take None of My Business by Berry Humble Boutique and start at the bottom. Work on our blend. All right, next we're gonna go in with Water Lily and just add this all to this pink section. And it's just giving it a lot more dimension, exactly what I want. And just to get this go on, you guys, I just spray painted, not spray painted, but spray my tumbler lightly with my hairspray, like you have seen me use many times before. Such a pretty pink. Oh my God, it's so pretty. All right, you guys, next we're going to go in with Diamond. This is by PDB, and we're just gonna add a little of this back to the middle. Once again, I thought it would come out shaking, but it doesn't want to incorporate. Right, so I'm just going to sprinkle this directly in the middle just to add a little bit more dimension, because this has like some silver chunks in it alone in that white, so I think it's just very pretty. So it's kind of blending it into the pink, just giving it a little bit more of an ombre effect. All right, you guys, I think we have a good blend going on here. I thought I wanted to add more green here, but I think it's just enough subtle going on with here, you know, with the pink and the white and the green. So I think everything is blended nicely. I have a piece of dry wax paper here, so I'm going to just take my tumbler and just roll it. Just get everything nice and smooth. And when you're rolling your tumblers and you have different colors, just try to keep everything in the same path so you won't be mixing your colors too much. And I really like the way this Artistry glitter glue by Artistry Epoxy, it kind of goes on like you're applying the epoxy method. It has a sort of thick consistency to it. So it is really nice. All right, everything is flat, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove my tape. And y'all, look at those lines. Oh, it just gets me every time. So before I pop this on my toner and give it 2 thin coats of epoxy, I am going to seal this with a coat of Matte Clear by Rust-Oleum, and also go in with a coat of glitter glue, as always, just to give it that another protective seal, and then apply 2 thin coats of epoxy. So here we are. So I applied 2 thin coats of epoxy. I went ahead and sanded the top and the bottom edges and just gave it a clean on the inside and the bottom as well. So it is nice and smooth and ready for our decal. So let's get into our decal. Y'all, I know summer is like August here. This is like the hottest time of the year. And I really just, you know, thought this would be a very fun theme for this tumbler. So essentially a watermelon theme. It says Hello Summer. I have went ahead and cut the decals in the different colors and the design space, and just to save time. So it says Hello Summer. We have our watermelon and we have our little seeds here, and I am just going to layer this on the tumbler, you would see. So I thought this was just save time. So we have a really pretty metallic green, a pretty bright gloss pink, and a kind of matte summer black, y'all. So I really think this is going to play out well. So let's get ready to apply our decals to the tumbler. So since I am using the decal, I printed about 3 by 3. And since this is going to go right here, I am going to apply this first, just so we have a guideline applying everything else. So I just have my transfer tape here. I'm just going to get this up and ready to go. And this is some new Tech Wrap vinyl. I am not sure why it's not wanting to lift. I'm thinking I have the layer on there. Let's see. No, it is not wanting to lift from the paper. Nope. So this is some Tech Wrap vinyl that I got, and I'm not sure. This came directly from Tech Wrap, and normally the Tech Wrap vinyls have like a second layer on top, but I wasn't able to remove a second, a protective layer, so I just may have to cut the green in a different color because it is not wanting to lift. So you guys, that is that. So I'm just going to go back in Design Space, cut the green portion in a different color, and then we'll be on to applying our other 2 pieces. Right, I went ahead and cut the green portion and just some gloss green that I had laying around, some extra. So I want to give it just a kind of fun play. So I'm just going to take this and kind of just slant it just a little bit, just so it's not so straight on the tumbler. I want to make it nice and playful. So y'all, I don't know what was going on with this green Tech Wrap vinyl, but it's very pretty. But maybe it's my transfer tape, but it would not lift onto the transfer tape. So I'm just going to give it another go and see, and try using a different transfer tape and see if that was the problem. Got one little tiny piece over here that doesn't want to come off. Okay. All right. So next, I think I'm going to grab my watermelon, the little pink inset piece. Or maybe I need to do the Hello Summer. Yeah, let me grab the Hello Summer piece. No, I need to grab the pink piece, because that has to like kind of sit down in this little circle. So I'm going to grab that piece, and I'm just going to place this on the tumbler. So, per the design, it sits down in here like this. Just making sure I got it straight. Oops, even. So when you layer in designs, you want to pull up your original design on your computer so you can kind of see where it is landing at. So you kind of have a general idea as to where you want to place it. And layering designs is like my favorite thing to do. I know a lot of people use water slides, but I don't know. When I use vinyl, it just kind of makes everything pop. So now we're just going to grab the Hello Summer portion, attach it to our transfer tape, and this should be fairly easy because the only thing we're doing is kind of lining up the black watermelon seeds inside of the pink. And hoping that everything kind of lines up. Yeah, that is so pretty, you guys. All right, so I'm just pressing my fingers, just making sure everything is lined up. And layering designs is just really easy. You just separate your colors and just keep it, you know, apply each color as needed. Yo, look at that. I think it's so bright and pretty. Something is telling me to add some seeds like around here and there, but I don't know, you guys. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. I think it just looks really playful, just simple. I don't want to add too much because I just really wanted this decal to be the focus point. So I am just going to leave it alone at this point. I am just going to apply some quick coat just to make sure everything is nice and sealed before I apply my 2 coats of epoxy. I am also going to apply some Bright by Peachy Olive Glitters just to give it some extra shine, and then we'll be on to finishing this tumbler. We are done with this beautiful, beautiful summer tumbler. You guys, as I said in the video, I thought that I wanted to add some more watermelon seeds here and around the tumbler, but however, I just wanted the glitter and the decal to be the star of the show. So you guys, I hope you guys love how I did my little ombre here. I think these colors just blend very well and just makes for the perfect watermelon tumbler. You guys, look at that. It is so pretty, you guys. So I'm hoping you guys love everything about this tutorial. Once again, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below and I would gladly reply. So once again, I just think this is just a perfect little short little stubby tumbler just for a cool summer drink, or you know, something like that, little cocktail. You guys, let's mix it up. Just small enough, and you know, and I just think it just, you know, complements summer very well. Like I said, we're coming up on August. It is very still much summer here in Texas. And you guys, I thought I would just go ahead and create this summer watermelon tumbler. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Look at it, it's so cute. I just love how bright and pretty it is, and of course it's so smooth. I did apply 2 thin coats of epoxy, and y'all, I think it turned out amazing, very amazing. So once again, makers, my quote for today's video is, if you want to achieve excellence, you can get there today. As of this second, quit doing less than excellent work. You guys, I just want to leave you with that. Everything that I do, or everything that I attempt to do, I at least try to put my best foot forward and try to put, you know, my best work forward. I do not send out any work that I'm not satisfied with, satisfied myself. So I try to put my best work and you know, my best efforts in everything that I do. So I urge you to do that in your daily, you know, in your business, and of course, you know, moving forward, you know, in life as well. So you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that quote and just, you know, stem some motivation within you guys as well. So once again, makers, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you have not clicked that notification bell, please do so you won't miss out on any of my future videos. And also, if you loved and enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. That really helps my channel out. So you guys, until the next video, you guys continue creating and stay blessed. Once again, makers, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you on board. Also, I have created a new Facebook group in which we all get inspiration from others. It is a safe space to create and share. The link to the group is listed below. Until next time, stay blessed and continue creating.